Hey there, fellow digital entrepreneurs. Today, I want to share with you just a little piece of my own personal entrepreneurial journey that, quite frankly, completely transformed my life. You see, for a long time, I put off something I knew could change everything for me, and that was writing my first self-image life script. I had seen others craft their own scripts, and I watched as their lives began to transform. They weren't just writing, they were living them. But I held back, even though deep down I knew it was crucial for my own self-development journey. I had heard it countless numbers of times. Your self-image shapes your results. Yet, I still resisted. Then one day, everything changed. I was studying, as I do every day, when I heard my mentor's voice echoing in my mind. Brian, you're not doing the work. Yet you want the results, but you're not putting in the work. Those words hit me like a lightning bolt. You know what? She was right. I had all of the knowledge from years of study, but wasn't actually applying it to its fullest potential. I was just going through the motions. I wasn't doing the work required to actually manifest the results I really wanted. So right then and there, I made a decision. I decided to finally write my self-image script. That's it, the truth. It takes one decision to change your life. How many times have you known what to do, what was needed, but hesitated to take action? We all do that. We gather knowledge, we read books, attend seminars, watch videos, attend meetings, but knowing is not enough. See, it's the decision, the committed decision that makes all the difference. That's what I did. I committed to the process, and I started. Was my first script perfect? No. But it wasn't supposed to be. The goal isn't perfection, it's progress. It's all about starting where you are and letting the process unfold organically. Just writing it down in a notebook. As I began working with my self-image script, something incredible happened. I started spending time with it every day, immersing myself in the vision of who I wanted to become. I began to see myself differently, and as a result, I began to act differently. My life started aligning with the image I had created. No, I don't have everything I want from my script yet, but I see it manifesting in my life every single day in ways I never expected. You know, that's the beauty of a self-image script. It's not just about what you write. It's about who you become in the process. And as you grow, your self-image script grows. If you're watching this, you're likely already understanding the power of this tool. But maybe like me, you've been putting it off. Let me tell you this, there is no perfect time. There is only now. So here's why you must start today. It gives you clarity. A self-image script provides a clear vision of who you want to become. It aligns your actions. When you spend time with your script, you naturally begin to think, feel, and act in harmony with your vision. It sets the wheels in motion. Your script signals to your subconscious and the universe, drawing the right people and opportunities in your life. You may be wondering, so how do I start writing my self-image script? Well, here's the basic breakdown. First, decide to do it. The decision is the most important step. Don't wait, just start today. Write your first draft. It doesn't have to be perfect. Write about the person you want to become and the life you want to live. Spend time with it, read it daily, feel the emotions of living the life you have described in your script, and then refine as you grow. Your script is going to evolve as you do. Keep adjusting it to align with your vision. I'm living my script right now, and I want the same for you. It's not just words on a page, it's a roadmap to the life you want. If you're ready to take the first step, then just make the decision today. Start writing your script, no matter how imperfect it may feel. And if you need some guidance, then join me for one of our free self-image workshops that my mentor puts on. She will walk you through the exact process I use to create my own self-image script and show you how to start living it. Just go ahead and save your spot in the next free 90-minute self-image scripting workshop by clicking the link in the description below. Friends, this is your chance to take your self-development to the next level. Don't wait any longer. Do it now and become the person